Punpun is seed saving center and self-reliant learning center. This place is a small community that we come to live together and work together. Our main aim is to do seed saving. I want to show you the garden, our garden during this time. Now it's December 2020. During this time is the best season to grow vegetable for us. We make many concrete ring like this as a water tank all around the garden. We collect used oil from the kitchen to make into biodiesel, and we use with the diesel engine like this to pump the water and to plow the land, to do many things in the garden. In the same time, if the sunlight very well, we use solar panel to pump the water. But for the light in the night time, we use electricity from the grid. This is how our garden look like. We make ponds, many ponds. The edge of the pond will be dragon fruit, guava, rambutan, lychee, and coconut, and some rose apple. There's a few more variety of mango also. We also have durian, but it's not fruit yet. We have different kind of beans because we collecting beans as much as we can now. In our garden, we love to grow many things in the same area to prevent bugs and disease. We have fruit trees and garden together. Coriander or cilantro, we save our own seed quite a lot here because we have some local seed in this area too. People here eat a lot of mustard green. There are many varieties of mustard green in Thailand, different varieties, different way of eating. But most of them, all of them, we eat them fresh. And we also have cabbages. We cannot save cabbage seeds in Thailand because it's too hot, I think. But another thing else, we can collecting a lot of seeds. For example, like this is a mustard green seed. We have so many variety of them. We have onion, big onion. This is more like yellow mustard. It's another kind of mustard. We eat fresh mainly. It tastes very good. This kind of kale, we have been saving seed for many years. I think more than 10 years we grow this variety. It's so big. One leaf is bigger than 1 foot sometimes. This is very yummy taste. I like it a lot. We have quite many different kind of lettuce also. We have, I think, more than 15 varieties of lettuce we have here. And local plant, we have kalanka. This is kalanka. And papaya. Papaya is the fruit here that we have almost all year round. Always have papaya. We eat both ripe papaya and green papaya. We have tomatoes. More than 100 varieties of tomatoes that we saving seed in our garden here. There are many techniques that we grow the garden. Sometimes one bed we can add many things together. But sometimes we make every other bed have different varieties. Like this one, we have mustard green and cauliflower together. So it's good to mix many things together. Some of them, this is local ginger, another kind of ginger. Some people call finger ginger. We save quite many varieties of cucumber here too, because Thai people love to eat cucumber. It's a kind of fruit, a kind of vegetable that we eating for a long time. This kind of flower is come from a trees. It's the big flowers fall down. We collect them, we eat them, we boil them and eat them. It's quite bitter, but people here love bitter vegetable a lot. It's tasty. That those flowers, when they turn to fruit, it will look like this. This is what we call sky tongue. It's bitter. We eat raw sometimes, but people love to grill them and slice them and eat them. After that, it will be very bitter, but tastes very addictive. This is a wild vegetable that we have in our area. This is lucina. We eat a lot of young lucina or lucina seed, and then we eat the young shoot like this also. But this one is some people call star gooseberry, or some call stars berry, because the fruit look like star. But there are many people call different name. They are local. They grow very well in this area. We eat a lot of them. This is another plant. We don't need to grow them. They grow by themselves. Some people call wheat, but for us we eat them. It's what we call Thai ginseng. This one is wild bitter gourd. People don't grow them. They grow by themselves everywhere. But we eat a lot. We eat the young shoot. We eat fresh young shoot. It's very bitter, but tastes good. Good bitter. It's a kind of vegetable we eat a lot. The young fruit like this we also eat fresh or cooked. It's also good. All of them is bitter. We consider bitter is medicine here. That's why we love bitter vegetable. We have a few kind of hot basil or holy basil or tulsi. This is the green varieties. Actually, we have purple also. We grow many kind of basil, many kind of onion, because we eat a lot of them and we want to save them. We have a few varieties of wing beans, green color, purple color, and very long green color. This is the first year we experiment to grow lima beans. Lima beans is not common in Thailand because Thai people don't eat dry beans much. They love to eat fresh green beans mainly. Roselle, we eat the flowers, but Chan people from Myanmar or Myanmar people, they love to eat fresh leaves like this. They cook in many different dishes. In the farm we have only one pepper plant, but we have enough peppercorn for eating. Taro is a kind of roots that we grow a few varieties here, but we don't eat them often because we have many things to eat. Eggplant is one thing popular here. We have long eggplant, white color, green color, purple color, and we have very small aubergine or small eggplant, many different varieties. A few varieties of wild berry that we have here. We make juice from them. We make wine. We make syrup, make many things from it. It's so good. Custard apple just finished a month ago because it's a fruit that they give fruit in the rainy season only. Okra, we have many different kind of okras here. Red color, green color, white color, and many kind of gourd that they love to climb up on the trees. One seed we put on the ground, they can give more than 30 fruits on the trees. We have quite a lot of them. We love to grow things together. Like this one, we grow carrot and tomato together. They will take care of each other better. And every other bed, it had to be something else. We don't grow the same varieties in the big area. We always add something else in there. We have chicken and we use leftover food, banana trees and some grass to feed our chicken. We got about 60 eggs per day in general. And cow for milk. We used to have 6 of them, but it's too much. We cannot eat them all, so we gave away most of the cows to people. Now we have 2. This is enough for about 20 people at the farm. We dug about 5 ponds at the farm to save water, and we also have many different kinds of fish. This catfish is so big, almost 1 meters long, and they love to be with ducks. We have tilapia, we have carps, we have snakefish, we have many different kind of local fish in our pond. Our main aim here is to do seed savings. Saving seeds is not only save the seeds. We need to save the technique how to eat them, how to use them too. Because if we have only seed, if we have only plants, but we don't know how to use them, it's not useful. It will not last very long. So saving seeds means save in our life. That means we need to eat them too. We need to rely on them too. We can eat them. When we eat them, it will be one part of our life. When the seed is in our life, it will not disappear. The seed is good. Saving seed help us to eat more. Eating is so much fun.